Hey everybody, this is Brajesh here. The GST was the historical reform in the tax space of the country, and it made the one nation, one tax a reality when it was implemented from 1st July 2017. Because GST was new law and was evolving one, and everything was made online, therefore the perfect online GST portal could not be developed in the initial stage of its implementation. This resulted into crashing of GST portal many a times. Sometimes the GST portal was not able to withstand the load of large number of taxpayers who wished to file their GST return, especially at the last date of filing of GST return. This resulted in non-filing of GST return by large number of taxpayers within the prescribed due date for no fault of them. Since there was no facility for filing the previous month's return at GST portal and late fee was imposed automatically, therefore, it happened that in certain cases the GST liability of the taxpayer was, say, for instance rupees 5,000, but the late fee was levied of rupees 50,000. This resulted in non-filing of GST return by large number of taxpayers in general and small taxpayers in particular. There was a growing demand by the taxpayers, especially by the small taxpayers, for waiver of late fee so that they may file their past GST return which were not filed by them due to various technical glitches and malfunctioning of the GSTN portal. Now, there is a good news for the taxpayers. The GST Council, which is the highest decision making body in the country in respect of GST, has considered the genuine request and demand of large number of small taxpayers of the country, and to mitigate their hardships due to exorbitant late fee imposed on them for non-filing of GSTR 3B return within the prescribed due date, it has taken historical and taxpayer friendly decision in its meeting held on 12th of June 2020 by either waiving the late fee completely or reducing the same substantially. Let us have a quick recap of the decisions taken by the GST Council in its 12th June 2020 meeting. Those taxpayers who could not file their GST return in the past and were subjected to late fee, in their cases, the late fee has either been completely waived or substantially reduced if any taxpayer has not filed its GSTR 3B return for the period from July 2017 to January 2020. They are given an opportunity to file their past GSTR 3B returns now. The window given is for the period from 1st of July 2020 to 30th September 2020, means that the taxpayer who could not file their past returns for the period from July 2017 to January 2020 can now file their returns between 1st of July 2020 to 30th September 2020. Certain conditions are of course attached to this relaxation. Number one, the condition is that where there was no tax liability, then no late fee will be charged. Yes, no late fee will be charged. Number two, if there was any tax liability, then late fee shall be charged at a fixed rate of rupees 500 for each return. Yes, maximum 500 rupees. Yes, this is a big relief to the taxpayers who could not file their form GSTR 3B return due to any reason whatsoever in the past. However, here one important point to be noted. Yes, that this reduction in late fee is only for those taxpayers who have not filed, yes, who have not filed their returns at all. And this reduction in late fee is not for those persons who have already filed their returns. This will be applicable for the period from July 2017 to January 2020. But there is one condition attached to this, that you have to file your GST return between 1st July 2020 and 30th September 2020. One important point is to be kept in mind. Though there is either waiver of the late fee or capping on the maximum late fee, depending upon whether you are having the tax liability or you are not having any tax liability, but there is no reduction in rate of interest. It means that the interest shall remain to be charged as it is at 18% per annum. One interesting point is to be noted that if you have already paid any late fee for the period from July 2017 to January 2020, then that is gone and there is no refund or adjustment of the already paid late fee by you. This decision in reduction or waiver of late filing fee is for those who have not filed their return at all within the prescribed due date in the past. So, only the non-filers have been given the benefit of waiver from late fee, and those non-filers can now file their return GSTR 3B for the period from 1st July 2017 to January 2020 between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. My dear friends, in its meeting on 12th of June 2020, the GST Council has tried its level best to give the maximum benefit to the small assessees. You may recall that for the period of February, March and April 2020, relaxation was given by the government to the assessees to file their returns without interest in a staggered manner. Accordingly, 3 notifications were issued by the government. Notification number 31, 32 and 33. By notification number 31 and 32, government created 2 categories of assessees. One category of assessees was those who were having turnover from 1.5 crore to rupees 5 crore, and the second category was those assessees whose aggregate turnover was less than rupees 1.5 crore. And taxpayers file their GSTR 3B within the staggered date prescribed in those notifications. So, if the assessee having aggregate turnover from rupees 1.5 crore to 5 crore and file their GSTR 3B return for the month of February and March 2020 by 29th June 2020 and for the month of April 2020 by 30th June 2020, then there will be no interest charged by the department from them, and also no late fee shall be charged. And the assessee having the aggregate turnover up to rupees 1.5 crore for the month of February were allowed to file their GSTR 3B by 30th June 2020, and for the month of March 2020 it was 3rd July 2020, and for the month of April 2020 time was granted up to 6th July 2020. But now, my dear friends, another relaxation has been given by the GST Council in its meeting held on 12th June 2020. One more important and taxpayer friendly decision has also been taken by the GST Council in its meeting held on 12th of June 2020, that is in case of those taxpayers whose registration got cancelled till 12th of June 2020, then they have been given one time window to revoke their cancellation of registration. Yes, revocation of cancellation of registration. The only thing those taxpayers have to do is that they have to file revocation application for their cancelled registration on or before 30th of September 2020. But please note that this is the one time window given to taxpayers for revocation of cancelled registration. My dear friends, now grab this opportunity to file your all past returns which were not filed by you due to various reasons, either without any late fee or with nominal late fee, and regularize your returns under GST once the same is notified by the government. Keep watching this space for more topics of your interest. Shortly, stay safe and healthy.